Dr. Muhammad Hassan. I am one of the faculties teaching the course in Dubai. We just finished one course, and the next course we're looking forward to see you. We do this for the past few years, and we have quite a significant experience when it comes to dealing with the PACES exam and the MRCP as well. We understand that this is a very demanding and very stressful exam, hence we are focusing on how to present your cases, presenting you with multiple cases covering all stations: abdomen, cranial nerves, neurological assessment, chest, cardio, and the rest of station 5 cases, along with tips that will help you for the communication cases and history taking skills. We would love to see you here in the course. The message is always to enjoy what you're doing and to have as much experience and to get to do your course properly in order to pass your exam from the first attempt. We have multiple success stories, and hopefully you will be the next. So hopefully see you in the next course, and it was a pleasure. Thank you.